This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marie Kennedy. Totally updated. Impact windows and doors. Updated kitchen with wood cabinets and granite countertops. Updated bathrooms. Great floor plan offers 2 master bedrooms, spacious living and dining rooms, enclosed patio with reinforced impact windows and tile floors. Living areas have tile floors and bedrooms wood laminate. There is also a large closet for additional storage. Unit being sold furnished or unfurnished, buyer's choice. Association confirms this is a 55+ community and requires 700+ credit score, income of $25,000 to $30,000. Minimum DP of 20% and buyer is required to make a security deposit equal to 6 months of maintenance fee to be held in escrow for 18 months. Community has great amenities and a great location, close to shopping, banking, public transportation. For more information, review the details below or contact Marie Kennedy at 954-369-0200.